Alright, just give me a second and I'll be right there. Alright, there we go. We got it to work. Man, I cannot wait for Splatoon 3, especially the Spot Fest and stuff, everything that's coming up. I feel like that's super exciting. But until then, I gotta kind of prepare because I haven't been playing for a while. I don't know how long it's been. Actually, yeah, I have no idea how long it's been, but you know what? It's time to train because I have to get back into this game and I have to be really good at it. Let's start. Blah blah blah. That's normal stuff. Walleye warehouse, some back pump track. The new stages also look really cool. Sturgeon shipyard and Moray towers. Ooh, Rainmaker. We should play Rainmaker. That would be amazing. And nobody cares about League Battle because I have no friends to play with. So yeah. And let's skip. Bam. Alright, here we are. The world of Splatoon. Splatoon 3, everyone's excited. Actually, I'm not sure who I'm gonna choose, but I kinda wanna choose the big man. The guy who I posted on my Twitter. I have a Twitter, you guys should go follow me. This person's kinda cool, but I honestly feel like the best person is... Hold on. Does nobody have a picture of Big Man here? Where is my buddy Big Man? Did this one? No. This guy sucks. That guy also sucks. Everyone sucks. This guy's fine because he just posts about Platoon. Yeah! This person's with me! Big Man! No, that sucks. That person sucks. Alright, anyways. Let's, go in. Actually, I have an idea. And my ideas are great. You know what I'm thinking to do? I'm thinking like, there's only like, what, 2 weeks until like the Splatfest event happens, which I will be playing by the way, so subscribe, follow, whatever for that. But I'm thinking, what if I just scrub all my slots? How many do I have? I have 78. Let's just use everything up. Everything that I don't use, make it clean. Ooh, 20,000. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. Ability chunks. What do I not use at all that I could very much use? Nope, nothing. Yeah, I guess I'll just make that clean. I don't really know about that one. Let's do sure. Something's gotta be here, right? No? Let's scrub these clean. I gotta scrub clean the stuff that I'm going to use. Scrub this clean as well. Scrub this clean. Let's see, anything with my shoes? I think my shoes are fine. But let me scrub out everything else that we don't need. Which is weird, because I don't have anything. I have nothing unlocked. Look at me. It's like I haven't even played the game. Man, that feels so bad. Let's see. Let's use my... I probably have no ability chunks. Ooh, I have a special charge up. But that's it. Install. Look at that. That's like the only thing I could have done. Yeah. I literally have this. It's literally useless now. I have none of these. I have barely any of these. Yeah, let's see if I can scrub any of those clean. Let's scrub more slots. No, I do not. I am just really bad at this game. Like, I've just been using one thing so much. You know, maybe this is why they have that kind of stuff in the game in the first place. So, idiots like me don't jump in and start doing their own thing. But all of these things are like main abilities that I don't really want. Yeah, these are all main abilities. I'll just scrub everything clean. How about that? I'll waste all my money. Buy every single hat. Do everything in this game. Since there's only a week left before I stop playing. Get rid of everything. No, I want to get rid of this one too. This one as well. I don't want this one. Everything is gone. I have nothing left. What do I have now? I have super jump speed. Oh no. Quick respawn. Are you kidding me? I only have that 9 of those. That's actually a good one. I guess we can put this. I don't really know. What else do I want? Do I want this? Sure. I'll just put that in. It seems okay enough. Yeah, I'm gonna lose now. Let's play some Turf War. I just opened my menu. Sorry, I was looking at chat. Hi, Rusty. Are you excited for the Splatoon game, Splatoon 3? Are you gonna buy it? Probably not gonna buy it. Knowing you. Because you didn't even play the first one. Yeah, I'm just throwing shade at you, but... let's do some Turf War first. This is the hardest part of the game because we gotta wait so long. Oh, we found a match already. Alright, let's see. Do I still have anything in myself after this long? Oh yeah, somebody booyah! Let's go, we're gonna win this now. Nothing bad will happen at all. Ooh, somebody, I'm gonna go kill them. You think you're better than me? Ooh, you see that? You see those skills? I'm gonna booyah bomb. And that was a terrible booyah bomb. I'm gonna throw it there and it's gonna hit nobody. Alright. Let's keep going. Ooh, pink. I love bullying people. Have we... What happened? Why is there no pink? Oh, they're just doing the... Oh, shoot, that... Okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. But we're gonna take it back. We're gonna win. And this is gonna be my first win. I'm not gonna lose this time. At all. Hopefully. Ooh, stinker. I thought that was a person. I thought that was a person. What did this person think would happen when they jumped in front of my booyah bomb and tried to kill me? Okay, well, I almost got that guy. Yeah, Rusty, too bad for you. My sister's paying for this game, so... I'm gonna get it without having to do anything. Also, that guy just... Did he die? Or was he... You know what? It's fine. I'm gonna booyah too. Ooh. You think you can beat me? I'm about to beat you. Okay, again, what do you think will happen if you just go into a booyah bomb? Also, we gotta win this one, so I'm gonna start going serious. And here we go. One. Okay. There's one there. He's also dead. Protecting my teammates. That one's dead. Yeah, I feel like we've got this one in the bag. This one's a really easy match. Oh, how you thought? You thought? That's what I thought. Thought this is gonna do anything? Again, these people keep thinking, but they don't act. Which is why I win. See this? Ooh, ooh. Ah, well, I got them, so it's fine. I win. At the end of the day, I win, and that's all that really matters. How much did we win by? We won by 10%, which is like a lot if you think about it. Okay. You know what? This was so easy. Let's go. Let's do something harder now. So, I got the idea that, you know, since it's Rainmaker, and I think you guys, like, already know, but Rainmaker, when it, like, the game loads, it says, like, make it rain. So, what if we actually just make it rain, you know? Using a weapon, which has the special of... Give me a second, I'm trying to think. Of Rainmaker. You know, pretty cool. But now the question is, which weapon should we use that gives us the ability of Rainmaker? Hold on. Yeah, let's go back to that page. This one. So, not this one. Let's see what the stats are. What are the stats? How do you check the stats? Oh, there we go. Custom splatter shot, range, fire rate. Fire rate is high range. I'd prefer a gun with high range and high fire rate, like the thing. What thing? The aerospray, because I'm somebody who loves to be annoying. But sadly, there's nothing here. Where are all my weapons? Oh, there we are. This one, no. Handling, fire rate, really high. You know what? Actually, you know what? Let's just go with this. I've never played with one of the end zaps. I feel like that's a really good idea to do. Now that we got that, let's go ranked. Let's actually... Oh, keep hitting my table. Let's actually make it rain. I hit my table again. Let's actually make it rain. And let's try to get to rank A before, yeah, I just want to get to rank A before before I buy Splatoon 3. Alright. Let's go. Booyah. Do we get booyahs? Oh, yes, we get one booyah. You know what? 2 booyahs. You know, I'm very strict on the fact, like, that we get booyahs, because booyahs are probably one of my favorite part of the game. It gives so much energy. You feel so happy. Also, they have the... Oh, wait. I forgot that I had the Rainmaker. I mean, not the Rainmaker, but the thing that gives you rain. Alright. Nice support. Much better in a role of support. I sacrifice myself for the teammates and die almost. Hey, buddy. Ooh. I'm dead. We lost the Rainmaker. The sacrifice was terrible. Alright, let's keep playing though. We got pretty far. And if need be, I will go there and take the role of responsibility myself. Ooh, I'm dead. I forgot how powerful the Rainmaker is. Come on, kill them. Kill the person with the Rainmaker. Ooh, I'm dead. We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. I'm not going out like this. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. They lost the Rainmaker. Oh no, they didn't lose the Rainmaker. What have they been doing? Those idiots. Nope. Nope. They're at 3. We're not letting them get this close. Nope. Not happening. I'm making it rain. No, no, no. Don't go up there. Who was there? Oh, they're shooting me from above? Oh god, we gotta actually do good. I don't like Rainmaker because it's one of the harder ones. My favorite one's spot zones. Okay, so we have sniper there. And I just got bullied. But they lost the Rainmaker, that's all that matters. I could have just done that faster. Come on. Why is it telling me to not retreat? I'm playing it smart. Idiots. I'm not that. Oh shoot, that guy's right there. Oh. You know, maybe I shouldn't use the Rainmaker. I feel like it would be a lot better that way. But don't worry, I'm not gonna let it end like this. Oh shoot, they went the smart way. They went the smart people way. Nope, now they're going the dumb people way. Oop, nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. Oh no, I have the Rainmaker, I have the Rainmaker, we're gonna die. We're all gonna die. We're gonna lose because of me. Alright, we have some advantage. Thank you, friend, for your sacrifice. Nope, not today. Okay, we got to 35 and there's a minute left. Do you think we can do this? Nope, everyone's dead. We can't do this. But we can try. We got this, guys. We got this. Okay, somebody still believes in the cause. Shoot. Okay. Oh, come on. Hit them, hit them. No, 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 no. Bad, bad, bad. That's bad. That's really bad. Sniper, 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 sniper. That's the roller, not even the sniper. Do we... Okay. No. Seriously? What was that? Okay, we have 14 seconds to do as much damage as we can. We're gonna win. No! Oh, come on. That's not my fault. That's the game's fault. Totally. Yeah, we can definitely do better. Okay, some players disconnected. Was it one of our teammates? Yeah, I think it was the sniper. The sniper just left. Let's play a couple more times with the end zap. See how that goes. Ship Sturgeon, what is this one? Sturgeon Shipyard. I feel like, isn't this one of the stages that's gonna be on Splatoon 3 or something like that? Don't know. But if it is, that would be cool. Please give me a booyah. Yeah, let's go. We got one booyah. That's satisfying, happy enough for me. Okay, nope, 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 no, okay, I got. That's my fault. You know, maybe. Nah, it's too powerful. It's too powerful. I can't do that to them this early. Oh, come on. How did I miss him? Oh, come on. There we go. We got him. We got him. That's all I wanted to do. I think there's only one green. Come on. Good. Come on, David. You got this, David. You may not be Tony level material, but at least you're David. Oh, shoot. Nope, 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 nope. They're a failure. What is this guy? This guy, aerospace hero shot replica. I got beat by a splatter shot? I'm not gonna let that happen. David, what are you doing? Come on. Come on, David. We gotta go. Alright, I got one assist and one kill. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta push. We gotta push really hard. Maybe it's time I take up this thing again. Okay, we got the guy. I feel like that's more important. Come on. Booyah. Kill some people. They have the Rainmaker. Why do they always have the Rainmaker? Why? That was unnecessary. That was so unnecessary. I just kill one person and then die. You know what? No, maybe I will unleash. Nah, it's still too powerful for anyone. What are you doing here? Apparently something, because I died. No, I'll give this weapon one more chance. Oh, we have it. Nice. This is our chance to shine. We're about to support so hard. Everyone dies. Ooh! Oh! What the heck? Wow, I was expecting that. I was totally expecting that. Yeah, we can't even push. Don't worry, man. I'm coming for you. See this? What is this guy using? Splat roller? No, I have to make it rain. So much. The only thing I'm making rain is my ink when I die. That's not even enough to do anything. Alright, we give that to them. Okay, that's gonna do nothing. Actually, that's gonna do something. Ooh! What do you think that was gonna happen? Okay, no. I feel like I'm just cannon fodder for everybody fighting in this battle. Of course, they have the Rainmaker. Okay. Nope. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm totally... Oh, wait, I'm alive? How am I alive? Oh, okay, now I'm dead. Come on. Come on, you got this, bro. Come on, come on, come on, bro. Come on, bro. You got this. Come on, bro. No, don't die. Don't die. I'm gonna take the thing for you. Okay, 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 okay. I'm dead. Hey, at least we got the 52. And I'll take that as a win. Because the friends we made along the way. Who's his name? Daniel? Marino? One of those two? Bro, if you don't get over here this instant, I'm about to kill you. Yeah, we've lost, but... yeah, I have nothing else to say about this match. We get it? Oh, overtime? Overtime? Never mind. Let's play let's play one other weapon, and if that doesn't work, I am going to have to bring out my secret weapon. Which you guys have probably already seen. It's very, very annoying. Nobody likes it. I got 15 spots. One less than the highest number. That guy had a bucket. Yeah, maybe I want to try a bucket. Maybe the bucket's good. Who knows? One thing else about Splatoon 3 that I like is that item switching is really easy. Special. Which one did I want? I wanted the bucket. Maybe next I'll take the splatter shot or something, and then I'll pull out my secret weapon. Which is really annoying. I'm still rank B+. I don't want to go down to B. I want to get to A. Let's try to get to A, and I will not stop until I get to A. Alright, more towers. That's good, that's good. Let's go. We get a booyah? No, we don't. We don't get a booyah. Please give me a booyah. I need the energy to continue. Alright, they have the Rainmaker. That's fine. Why is this guy retreating? Oh wow, that was smart. I got totally tricked. How did I have a say in that? Somebody else take it. Oh! Okay. That was a lot of damage. What is going on? You know, our teammate's doing good though, so we fine for now. I didn't know you could do that. Bro, what are you doing? Your teammate's dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead too. I couldn't even place it down. He also has the Rainmaker Ringstorm, but I'm gonna call it the Rainmaker since we're playing this. No, you don't get the lead on me. What do you think was gonna happen? That, apparently. What is the blast radius thing on that, on those weapons? I don't know. Seems like a bit though. Oh shoot, they have the lead. Or well, I don't even know. No. Why? Okay. They're really close now. Nope, 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 nope. They're... Wow, I've been losing left and right. Maybe this weapon is not the right weapon for me. Let's try going the splatter shot. Oh no, I'm cracking. Alright, you are my last chance. If this doesn't work, then I will do something that nobody will like, but I will do it anyways, and I will have no shame for doing so. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright. Ah. Do we get a booyah? No, we don't get a booyah, but that's fine because we'll still win. I have full confidence in myself that we will win. Nope, never mind. I just didn't see that. Oh, come on. Alright, we lost. They lost it. Oh, come on. But we have the Rainmaker, so my sacrifice was not in vain. This weapon is just not good. Get out of the way! Okay, we got out of the way. Nope, nope, nope. Oh. These people, how are they so good at using this? Oh shoot. Oh, there I go. Come on. Get him? Good job. Let's go this way. I'm not retreating, idiots. Come on. Come on. I got us to the midpoint. Let's get this though. Let's get this. Oh shoot, I'm done for. Yep, that's what I thought. Okay, we got them. We got one of them. But they still have the Rainmaker. Why do they always have the Rainmaker? Oh, come on. Takes so much to charge. These people like load it up like it's nothing. Yeah, it actually takes like 4 seconds to charge or something. But we do have the Rainmaker. I'm gonna support this guy. All the way. I'm with this guy all the way. You don't get close to me on my friend. Never mind. No, at this rate, I feel like my special weapon won't work either. I'm just hopeless. Oh, wow. These people have teamwork. Good teamwork. Okay, I'm still alive. Come on. How did we die? Oh, only I died, and then the other guy died. I thought both of us died, even though we did the Rainmaker explosion. Okay, we've lost. Don't let them get the KO. Don't let them get the KO. Don't let them get... Okay, it's fine. Let's try. This won't work. But I'll sacrifice whatever I have and much more if we can get a little closer. Come on. Okay. Run. Run. Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Never mind. You know, it's fine. I just have to play well, right? That's what I'll do. Time to go ballistic. Okay, there we go. I have no shame in what I'm about to do. Hopefully I win and prove a point. Don't, I'll be probably pushed back to level B. I will also play tomorrow just to prove my point further and to get a little better for the game, but we gotta make it rain this time, and that's exactly what we'll do. Come on, booyah. Come on, booyah at least once. Somebody booyah, no, nobody booyah, that's fine. I'll still make it. Alright, that's the first time I make it rain. Alright, this guy carries me. Oh, come on. Let's go. Bam. Man, was it really that easy all along? Wow. You know what? Didn't go to airing, but I'll take that. Let's celebrate with some more Turf War. Let's wreak havoc. Oh, come on. There. Oh, he's still alive? Bro, how is this man alive? I'm gonna kill this guy first. Ooh. Forgot that existed. They added new guns to the game and new things like a year ago. I still haven't played any games with them. Oh, there. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Who is killing me? I'm gonna take revenge. Oh, they're dead as well. They have the RG. Interesting. Alright. Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Why are people attacking me? I didn't do anything wrong. I'm dead. But we're still gonna win. That's what I decided. So it actually has to happen. Pink armor. No longer. But this guy's dead, so it was worth it. Let's just toss that right there. Oh wow, I actually got somebody. Yeah, nobody's gonna beat us. Okay, well. You know, this is a fun game. Can't wait to play it more. But we still win. We take these, we take these. In your face, everybody. I just had to do that. But yeah, I can't wait for Splatoon 3. I just hope it's as fun as Splatoon 2. Which it'll probably be. But yeah, that was it for today. Probably will come back tomorrow. A little a little earlier so that I can play for a little longer, but this game is really fun. Can't wait for Splatoon 3. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. I said it twice.